Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have bought a Smytten unboxing review again that I bought recently. Now I have almost opened the box, as you can see, but I didn't open it all. I almost forgot to shoot the unboxing video, but since I love unboxing videos personally, and I thought that you might also love them as well, so I thought that to do an unboxing video with you guys and for you guys. So let's get started. So this is Anur Cocktail Drop Solid Perfume with 1 trial points. Although I don't remember the trial points, I will give on the screen all the trial points for each of the products. So this is a lip balm from Moha, Plum Rejuvenating Cream. This is night gel, actually renewed night gel, and we have pore cleansing face wash again from Plum. Then we have a green tea daylight sunscreen from Plum. So basically, if I remember correctly, these are the 3 things that I got as a free gift. Then we have this IHA 1% Tryostat Hydra Cleansing Face Serum from Derma Touch. So it was for 4 trial points. I remember it correctly because I was thinking it was on my wish list for a very longest of time, but I thought that 199 रुपीज़ में एक 600 रुपीज़ का प्रोडक्ट मिल रहा है तो वाई नॉट. एक्चुअली इट्स फॉर 350 रुपीज़, बट आई गॉट इट फॉर लाइक 4 ट्रायल पॉइंट्स, 199 भी नहीं. सो आई थॉट इट्स अ ग्रेट डील, सो आई got it. All the reviews will be coming up soon. So this is the Tryostat Hydra Cleansing Face Serum. So इसके बारे में मैं जो भी कुछ होगा I will post it later. So these are the things that I bought from Smytten with the 6 trial points. Bye.